Hello, and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business and sidestep all of those crazy things that I seem to step on. It is January 19th, Thursday, right? I'm thrilled to be coming to you. In the last day or two, we've had a nice surge of subscribers. Thank you. We're so close to 10,000 subs. I think we are about 70 away, or 60 or 70 away now. So thank you so much. Really appreciate it. So close. So thank you for that. Also, before we get started on today's topic, which is Fiverr has a new feature through Zoom. And I'm excited to talk to you about this feature. And they've been in cahoots with Zoom, but they've added a brand new feature that just came out today or yesterday. So I'm excited to discuss that with you. But real quick, before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button if you enjoy this show, and the notification bell so that you get notified when I do post a video. Also, please check out below A VO's Journey Elite Academy. We are offering 50% off the first month. So if you're new, you're up and coming, you're trying to get your business rolling, we're the perfect place for you to learn, grow, and hopefully get some work. So take a look below. We'd love to have you. All right, let's check out this new feature. Let's talk about it. So basically, for a while, Fiverr has I can't remember, it was a couple years ago or something, they added a feature for business clients and specified kind of like top buyers could use, once you purchase a gig or once you purchase something from somebody, could use a Zoom feature, like a video feature, where you could do a video conference with somebody. Now remember, on Fiverr, it's really a big deal to them, and of course all freelance platforms, particularly, that you don't take the business off of the platform, right? Because and they've spent all this money and time trying to get those customers, right? And they're paying us basically to service their customers, all right? To give their that's how they view it, their customers. So, if we take that business off of their platform, right, they lose the money and that potential revenue. So they try to do things anyways to discourage that. Okay, one of them, of course, is removing you from the platform, but others are, making sure that you're not talking to people as easily and communicating with them, sharing personal information, etc. Right? But I'm really excited about this new feature because one of the problems we've had, anyways, going back to the Zoom and then moving into one of the problems that a lot of us have, but the Zoom feature was very limited. Right, you couldn't. I mean, most people didn't have access to it, and it was not even really a upfront kind of thing. And not everybody, not all clients, not all sellers had access to it. So it wasn't really. It was there in some weird places, but not really in a lot of places. So it wasn't used very much. But going forward now to the issues that a lot of us have on Fiverr or in general, and I think this is Fiverr's answer to it. But basically we have to deal with customers that we can't really talk to. We can only chat with online. And when it comes to acting and performing like we're doing, that's a big challenge to get a sentence or two of directions. And then there can be endless revisions. There can be arguments, misunderstandings. It's so difficult to share facial expressions, body language, tones of your voice when you're describing something through words, or sometimes, that can be very difficult, right? Through like two sentences. So, which is something that we're doing at Academy Voices, all right, which is our online talent roster agency that we work with, that's tied to, I built for Academy, or for A VO's Journey Elite Academy, is that, we're big about, I love our tagline, that's like all humans all the time. Well, anyways, yes, that is a punch at AI, but it's also a punch at what we're talking about today, and that is, so many. We're just getting lots of feedback as we're starting to reach out to lots of clients through Academy Voices and talking to people who are buying voiceovers. That they're getting tired of dealing with automated services, with AI, with things that they can't talk to people, right? They can't talk to us. How many times, like, I'll search around when I'm looking for something. You guys know what I'm talking about. You can't even find a telephone number to call someone anymore. I mean, it's like it takes an act of Congress. God, well, we know how long it takes Congress to do anything, but it takes an act of God to actually get a phone number to call someone. You can't find them anymore, and it's very annoying. So this idea, so with Academy Voices, that's what we're doing. It's all about the personal touch and dealing directly with clients, talking to them, and it's not an automated process. But anyways, so with what Fiverr's done now, as they've just come out, they have made Zoom accessible to everyone all the time, even when someone messages you the first time. So that the idea is that under the chat section in the messaging, all right, there will be the normal things. There was the lightning response. You can upload, the little file, paperclip, and then there is a space, and then there is the little video icon. And if you click on that, it will start a Zoom video with the person that you are chatting with. And you can do this whether they've ordered from you or not, and you can do it for everyone. And to my knowledge, through the information I got, I have access, but everyone has access to it now. I think. Okay, at least I know the people in the Seller Plus program do, or that's where I've got the general information. But according to them, it seems like everybody has access to it. But that's a big deal because a lot of the issues we've had, we can't talk directly with people. So I think by Fiverr doing this, it's a big deal because on the front end, that's where most of the stuff will be figured out. When you do live directed sessions, you go through it and you get the information you need, and then you're done and you send it to them and everybody's happy and they go on their way. I mean, it can be random. There can be times where you might have a revision here or there, but everyone's in an understanding what's going on because, we've had a chance to talk and to ask questions and things. And it is still such a better way of communicating, all right, verbally, and through being able to see each other and what their expressions are, because that gives us an indication of what they're looking for. So I'm very excited about this new option that Fiverr has, and I hope to use it a bunch to get good information from clients. And also, when you meet a client face to face, and you start talking to them, you're going to be a lot more. Able to build a long-lasting relationship. I really do believe it. So this is a really good. I mean, it's a good thing. I'm interested. I am interested to see how the clients will take it. From Fiverr. I'm sure not all clients will want to do that, but I do think that it's a neat step, and it's something that will help our businesses. And at least, if anything, we can hop on a call if we're struggling figuring out what they're asking for. You know what I'm saying? So I do think this is a really cool thing that Fiverr is now implementing across the platform for everybody. And give me, make sure you comment below. Check it out. Go to your Fiverr profile. Check and see if you have the availability. It would be just go to your messages and look under the bottom. It's available for me on all my messages now on everybody. Whether they've ordered from me or not. So check and comment below if it's available for you or if it's not available for you. But I'm pretty sure it's available for everybody. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're almost at 10,000, and don't forget to check out Avio's Journey Elite Academy and our 50% off the first month deal below. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful Thursday. I'll talk to you soon. Peace.